Look at this store, right? It's absolutely busy. All over the place. All the drinks on the shelves, just there. Including the chewing gums, teeny little ones, M&Ms and all of that. Nobody robs. Nobody steals anything, right? If it was New York, they're behind bars, actually. They're behind the counter, this stuff here. And also in London, there's 3-4 security guys. They're robbing every single item, including teeny little, like sandwiches. You know, £1.70 cheese and onion sandwich. They're robbing those from Tesco shelves. It's a shame. And in Europe, go to France, go to Italy, they lock the doors and employing security guards. Even security guards are struggling to keep everybody out. I've seen so many robbing and walking out of the door at Tesco's and Waitrose and Sainsbury's and Asda's, Marks and Spencer's, under the camera and under the security guard's nose. And it's a shame. In London and in New York, Paris. Here I am in Singapore. Busy lunch hour, right? Anybody could just pick one of those up and start drinking. No, they wouldn't do that. Look at this. Every kind of people here. And all respectful, honest. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.